just for fun. Why don't we see if this thing will pop off one last time? Boom. There we go, it runs. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to highlight this 1974 Yamaha YT80 dirt bike. This is one of my first bikes I've ever rode and had a lot of fun on this bike, but it's been sitting and no longer runs. It's pretty small and I don't really fit it anymore. But it's a cool bike and I haven't done a video on it yet, so I thought I would just hop on here and do a little walk around. We actually lowered the front suspension so it sits pretty level. The only way I was able to do that was stick a big socket in between here and basically move everything down and just bring the bars up a little bit, because those screws to let out the juice in the forks was seized and I couldn't open that. But this thing kicks over, has compression. It's been sitting for so long that it doesn't run anymore, and I think we're just gonna end up selling it. I posted it for 500 bucks and we got a guy coming later today, so I think it's a pretty good deal. It's a fun little dirt bike that somebody will be able to enjoy. I think I have a video of me riding this when I was younger, so I'll try to stick that clip in here. But yeah, this is just a quick little walk around. You don't see these things very often. They're getting hard to find. And so I thought I'd just do a quick little video on this bike before I sell it. Let's do that one last time, because this thing is gonna be sold by the end of the day. Someone's coming to pick it up. Boom, there you go guys, it runs. So thanks for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and I'll catch you guys on the next video.